Let us see few of the multiple choice questions from regulatory affairs and regulatory requirements for drug approval. The first multiple choice question is, who are the study leaders based at each site during the clinical trial? The various options are: option A is Chief Medical Officer and Clinical Research Associates. Option B is Principal Investigators and Study Coordinates. Option C is Study Coordinates and Chief Medical Officer. Option D is Principal Investigators and Clinical Research Associates. So out of these four, the correct option is option B, Principal Investigators and Study Coordinates. Who are these study leaders based at each site during the clinical trial? The answer to this is the principal investigators and study coordinates. Second multiple choice question is, what is the purpose of the case report form? The various options are: option A is to ensure data accuracy by providing a place to store warehouse patient data for audit purposes. Option B is to provide a reference for all study subjects from which to analysis patient data. Option C is to include in the NDA filing, and option D is all of the above. So out of these four, the correct option is D, all of the above. What is the purpose of the case report form? So the all, option A, option B, option C, that is to ensure data accuracy by providing a place to store warehouse patient data for audit purposes, to provide a reference for all study or subjects from which to analyze patient data, and to include in the NDA filing, respectively. Next multiple choice question is, at the end of the study, what happens to the case report forms, CRFs? The various options are: option A is the CRF data is compiled and submitted to the FDA in the IND. Option B is the CRF data is aggregated by an external party if the trial was done blinded to assess the drug's safety and efficacy. Option C is the CRF data is aggregated and analyzed to assess the drug's safety and efficacy. Option D is the CRF data is compiled and submitted to regulatory affairs. So out of these four, the correct option is C. The CRF data is aggregated and analyzed to assess the drug's safety and efficacy. At the end of the study, what happens to the case report forms? The case report form data is aggregated and analyzed to assess the drug safety and efficacy. The fourth MCQ is, what is the primary focus of phase 3 clinical testing? The various options are: option A is how to manage costs. Option B is the collection and analysis of highly specific efficacy endpoint data. Option C is the optional range of effective dosage. And option D is the analysis of data results from the small subset target population. So out of these four, the correct option is B, the collection and analysis of highly specific efficacy and endpoint data. What is the primary focus of phase 3 clinical testing? The collection and analysis of highly specific efficacy endpoint data. Next MCQ is, on which two criteria does the FDA classify NDAs? Option A is novelty of the active ingredient and time to market. Option B is balance between safety and effectiveness. Option C is novelty of the active ingredient and clinical improvement. Option D is clinical improvement and effectiveness of product. So out of these four, the correct option is option C, novelty of the active ingredient and clinical improvement. On which two criteria does the FDA classify NDAs? The correct option is C, novelty of the active ingredient and clinical improvement.